Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Journeys with Jay, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this nail set and in collaboration with Model Ones. Thank you so much, Model Ones. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please continue to watch. Model Ones was so polite to send me over their nail dehydrator and primer set, so we will be using that in today's video. First, I'm going to go in with a thin layer of the nail dehydrator, and I really like this dehydrator. I'm normally going in with acetone, but I feel as though this is less harsh and it really dehydrated my nail bed, so I will definitely be using this for up and coming nail videos. Next, I'm going in with their nail primer. Again, neither of these products had a harsh smell to them. I really appreciate that. And again, here I'm just applying a thin layer of the nail primer to each of my nails. And then once we're done with applying the primer, onto the nails. So this is actually the Model One's Prep Soft Gel Tips. I actually purchased these on my own and I've just had them in my collection, just waiting for the perfect moment to use them. And so I felt like what perfect time or what better time to use it than with the Model One's dehydrator and primer. So here I'm just showing you guys the white nail tips that come inside of that pack. This is one of the peachy nude colors. The next one is actually a very nice creamy kind of natural nude color. And lastly is their black, which is more of like a jelly black to me. All of these nail tips are pre-etched on the inside, so I really like that as well. So that's just an additional step that we can actually skip. And here I'm just showing you the inside of the case with all of the different nail sizes, and as you can see, the colors are all mixed in. This is really quick and convenient for someone who is like on the go or they just need a really quick nail set. This honestly took me like 10 minutes to apply to my nails, so I'm really happy about that, and I figured why not share that with you guys on the channel, especially if you just don't have time and you don't feel like painting your nails. This came in handy for sure. Here I'm just sizing those nail tips to my nails. making sure it goes from sidewall to sidewall without being too large or too small. And while also digging through my collection, I saw my BT Art Box solid gel glue, and I was like, oh, you know what? Let's use that. It gives you a little bit more time to move the nail around in case you apply it a little crooked. So I find that to be really, really helpful, especially with beginners. And so I'm just going ahead and, as you can see, going halfway, rubbing the glue to the tip, and then with whatever's left in the nail, I'm going towards that cuticle, pressing it back and allowing the glue to flow forward. And then here I'm just kind of checking the nail, looking at it, making sure that it's straight. And then I'm just going to go ahead and flash cure that in my lamp for 10 to 15 seconds. And then here you just will see me repeating that process for all of the rest of my nails. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like with all of the nails applied, and then I'm going to cure that in my big lamp. Again, these are nice and thin at the base, so you can actually cure through these nails. That's what they're made for, so I was really happy about that. But you definitely want to make sure that you're curing this in a large lamp. You need something more powerful than just a flash cure lamp when applying your nail tips, and that's for any nail tips. You always want to reinforce that with like a big cure in your lamp. Or a cure in your big lamp. Sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied. In here, I'm just going in with my sponge nail file, and I'm just roughing up the surface lightly of the nails, making sure to buff away any additional product that may be around the nails or cuticle, just like getting that off, as well as making sure that the very tip of the nail is smooth. Once we're done buffing, I'm going to go ahead and dust away any nail dust that was left behind from buffing the nails. And then I'm going to go in with my Model 1's top coat, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer across all of the nails. Alrighty, after top coating the nails, I'm just going ahead and curing them in the big lamp. And this is the finished product. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.